All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. Excuse me. It is the T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase. That's right, folks. Hear it, can't afford it, you're gonna have to cry about it. They're not gonna make these cars anymore. These are one of the last cars and we have them. The T-150 long wheelbase mid-roof, they will no longer make. You would only get the 150 long wheelbase short roof. So if you see it here, grab it before there's none left. Again, only 18,000 miles, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks good, your front hood looks good, your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Tire thread here is over 7/32. This door looks good, this quarter actually looks good in its entirety. Nice. Here's your rear rear driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread is over 7/32. Coming around, check it out. You got your power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, or rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have a tire pressure light on, and there's your mileage of 18,903. It's got a backup camera. Pow. There it goes. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Let's keep it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. This door looks okay. It does have a dent here, as you can see it. Boom, another dent right there in the corner. The rest of it looks pretty good, and here we do have a dent right there. It's a little crease here, and then a dent there. All right. Boom. Boom. So of course, what's your cargo area? Looks like very nice, big, spacious. Looks pretty darn clean. The wheel wells look pretty darn good. So of course, with one of your doors, looks like from the inside, looks good. A little dent there, right there in the corner. You can see some paint off on it. Let's check this one out. That one looks good. Has a little dent here as well. Boom. Another little dent there. Let me check out the roof. Give me 1 second. All right, folks, and we're up on the roof, which looks pretty darn good as well. Truck looks good, guys. Looks really good. Coming around this corner, looks pretty darn nice itself as well. There's your rear passenger steel wheel. It's tire thread. Over 7/32. Sliding door, do have 2 little chips right there. 1, 2. That's about it. Check out your side cargo area. Very nice as well. Looks good. Got a little compartment up there. This door has a little dent here. No paint off on it, a little chip on the top there. Here's the front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread. Over 7/32, actually almost 12. Lights are working, things are fucking running. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, in 2018 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase with 18,000 miles. Questions, concerns, I'll hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.